How's it going, guys? Justin Savage here, MarineMax Venice, and we are on board a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. As we start on the aft of the boat here, this one is powered with a Mercury 300 Verado. 26 feet, but you can see here that you have a very large, spacious sun pad. Nice thing about this that's included in this power tower is if you are having a day out on the water at a sandbar, you have a retractable aft shade that can keep you out of the sun because no one loves to be sunburned. And this is easily slides and locks into place. Back here, you also have a humongous storage. I mean, it's a coffin of a storage. So this runs all the way through into the cockpit. So if you have any kind of beach towels, inflatables, noodles, anything and everything will most likely fit inside this storage rack. How are we doing? As we enter into the cockpit of this 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX, as you can see, there's a ton of room, and it is a very nice even walkthrough with this L-shaped seating here, so you're not stepping all over everyone as you enter into the boat. You have ample storage in here. Under this, room for shoes, soft cooler, whatever you need. So you can get to it by here, or you can get to it by this door, whatever's convenient for you. Here on the port side, this is the storage that attaches to the aft storage that runs all the way through. Again, you can fit a ton of stuff in here, so you're not taking up room in the boat because, let's be real, when you have your friends and family out and everyone's bringing coolers and beach bags and everything, it fills up really quick. So utilize this space. Here you have a very well organized bilge. All your battery switches are going to be found under that aft seat, but everything is nicely placed and organized back here. As we move up, you have in-floor storage. Again, inflatables, towels, the canvas for the boat, whatever you want to stuff in there. There's a lot of room in there. Captain and co-captain seats, very sporty, nice diamond stitching, bolster seats. If it's just you and the missus cruising around, you can sit side by side. This seat also swivels, so if you want to be in the conversation, you can do that as well. And like I said, if you're out hanging out, everyone wants to talk, the captain's chair also does the same thing. So very versatile. Everyone's in the same combo. No one's talking over their shoulder. As you come here to the helm, you have twin displays with a nice acrylic dash, ties it all in and makes it flow really well. Switches are very well identified. You have your stereo controls here, your throttle with wireless phone charging right underneath it. This is all DTS, digital throttle and shift, so very seamless, very smooth. The dual displays is great because you can do your boat controls on one, your graph on the other, so you're not switching back and forth between screens. On the port side here, you have a very large head with a magnet that locks it into place. As you can see, it's a decent amount of space for a 26-foot boat. Full adult can climb in there and, for that emergency bathroom stop. What a great feature that you'll find on the 26 and 28 SLX is this power tower. This is great for many reasons. It is a humongous amount of shade when you're out in the Florida sun or wherever you do your boating. And it's also, if you have any kind of like bridge restrictions or boathouse restrictions, lift restrictions, things like that, your controls to lower this tower, and it goes all the way down to the windshield. And as you can see, you have plenty of headroom to sit like this. So what we've had done in the past is if you get caught in rain, you can lower this down all the way to the windshield and drive like this. It kind of helps keep you out of the rain and keeps you dry. So it is really nice. And again, huge storage or huge benefit if you have any kind of like storage issues or restrictions and things like that. And then it's just a switch to bring it all the way back up. Great feature for those who need it. Here we are up in the bow of the 260 SLX. For a 26-foot boat, there is a lot of room up here. You got two people comfortably sitting up here. You have a nice armrest. You can hang out underneath this seat here. Again, storage, ample storage. This flips up and you have it that runs all the way underneath here into the helm. So a great place again for beach bags and anything like that that's not going to take up and make clutter inside the boat when you're out on a day, out on the water for the day. You have a Water wash down up here and full windlass with controls here at the windlass, and you have controls up at the helm as well. There's a lot to see on this boat. Pictures, videos never do it justice. Stop on into MarineMax Venice and check it out for yourself. Thank you. Again, my name is Justin. Come see us.